Good morning, student. How are you? I think all of you are fine. Last day we have read chapter, not chapter, page number 19. Today we will complete page number 20 and 21. It's a quiz. In this you have to choose the correct option. First is, at Jantar Mantar of which city in India would you find the largest stone sundial in the world? First ka B, that is Jaipur. Second is, where you will find a large clock with a bell called Big Ben. Second, it's London. Third, the local time of Royal Observatory is taken to be the internationally accepted universal time. Where in England is it located? It's C, Greenwich. Fourth, how many time zones are there in Russia? That is 11. Okay, now you complete this. First is Jaipur, second is London, third is Greenwich, and fourth is 11. Okay, this is page number 20. Now you complete about the knowing reptiles. That is page number 22. For each of these facts about reptiles, tick the ones that are true and tick wrong next to the ones that are not. First is, reptiles are different from other vertebrates because they have dry scale covering their bodies. This is correct. Second is, the reticulated python is the longest snake species known. It is correct. Third, it is, reptiles do not have gills, they breathe through their lungs. It is correct. Fourth, king cobras are the only snake in the world that build nests for their eggs. That is correct. Fifth, turtles are found in Antarctica. This is wrong. Sixth, the tuatara has a third eye on its head. That is correct. Now it's mentioned here, listen, in a short form, the tuataras are lizard-like animals found in a few islands of New Zealand. They live in underground burrows during the day and come out to feed at night. They are one of the few kinds of reptiles that can endure cold temperature. इसके बारे में हम तुम जानो थोड़ा सा कि टुआटारास क्या है. एक तरीका से लिजार्ड टाइप का एनिमल है जो कि कुछ ही जगहों में, कुछ आइलैंड्स जो होते हैं, द्वीप जो होते हैं, वो न्यूजीलैंड के वहाँ ये फाउंड होता है. और ये अंडरग्राउंड बरोज मीन्स छेद में ये रहता है दिन के समय में, और रात में ये निकलता है बाहर. किसके लिए? तो भोजन की तलाश में. कुछ ऐसे रेप्टाइल्स हैं दुनिया में जो कि ठंडे जगहों पे रहना पसंद करते हैं. उसमें से ये क्या है? टुआटारास जो है भी ठंडे प्रदेश में रहना पसंद करता है, जगहों पे रहना पसंद करता है. ओके, द लार्जेस्ट लिविंग लिज़ार्ड इज द कोमोडो ड्रैगन. द लार्जेस्ट लिविंग लिज़ार्ड इज द कोमोडो ड्रैगन. दैट इज करेक्ट. Salt water crocodiles, the largest of all crocodiles, are harmless to humans. That is wrong. Now first you mention that is correct. Second is correct. Third is correct. Fourth is correct. Fifth is wrong. Sixth is correct. Seventh is correct. Eighth is wrong. Now look at these pictures, and now you have to identify the names of these reptiles. First figure you can see, it's anaconda. What is it called? Anaconda. In the column fill in the blanks you can search anaconda. Write in a proper way with a correct spelling in your notebook or in a book or a notebook. Second is Gila monster. Second is Gila monster. It's a Gila monster. Third is Gecko. It's Gecko. Fourth is frilled lizard. It's here frilled lizard. Fifth is green vine snake. You can see here the green reptiles which is showing here, that is green reptiles. Green vine snake. 6 is घड़ियाल. You can see घड़ियाल, है ना. घड़ियाल दिख रहे हो ना, कैसा दिख रहा है देखो. चलो एक बार और फिर से मेंशन कर लो. चलो देख भी लो. अगर तुम्हारे पास बुक नहीं है तो फिर यहाँ से देख लोगे ना. देखो चलो. एनाकोंडा, गीला मॉन्स्टर, जेको, frilled lizard, green vine snake, that is, and now it is ghariya. Okay, now we will come to page number 23. Ladies who stand tall. You have to identify these famous women. Okay, she was the first Indian born woman to go into space. She had a doctorate in aerospace engineering and she died when the space shuttle Columbia exploded, alone with 6 other astronauts, very known to you, that is Kalpana Chawla. She was from Karnal, Haryana. हमारे हिंदुस्तान की थी वो लेडी और वो भारत की पहली महिला थी जो कि अंतरिक्ष में जाने वाली बनी. उसके पास डॉक्टरेट की उपाधि थी. एयरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग में उसने पढ़ाई की थी. सेकंड है यूरोप फर्स्ट वुमेन प्राइम मिनिस्टर. शी वॉज one of the most renowned political leaders of her time. She is known for her policies of liberalism and leadership during the Falklands War of 1982. That is Margaret Thatcher. Spell out Margaret Thatcher. Okay, Margaret Thatcher. This is second. Third is the second wife of an Argentinian president. She was revered by the poor for her charity and she served them without holding any official post. She was a major force behind Argentinian women gaining the right to vote. She was Eva Perón. Third is Eva Perón. See here, Eva Perón. Fourth, she invented the windshield wiper. Her invention solved the problems of drivers who had to put their hands out of car windows to clear water from the windshield when caught in the rain. She was Mary Anderson. She was Mary Anderson. Spell out Mary Anderson. Fifth, she was an American chemist who designed a thick and strong fiber which were used in bulletproof vests and body armor known as Kevlar. That she was Stephanie Kolik. Stephanie Kolik. 6. She became the Sarpanch of her village, Soda in Rajasthan, and she is one of the youngest person in India with an MBA degree to hold the post. She is Chavi Razawat. She is Chavi Razawat. Once again, please come back. First is Kalpana Chawla. Second is Margaret Thatcher. See here. Third is Eva Perón. Fourth is Mary Anderson. Fifth is Stephanie Kolik. And sixth is Chavi Razawat. Today I have completed page number 20, 21, 22 and 23 for your periodic test. Now your syllabus is completed and I hope you all have done all your classes what I have taught you. If you don't have your books, please go and purchase your book. If you are not having book, then please mention in your copy. अगर आपके पास बुक नहीं है तो आप इसको मेंशन करिए कॉपी में और जितने भी टॉपिक्स को मैंने पढ़ाया है सबको मेंशन करिए वहाँ पे. दूसरी बात है, आप घर पे हैं तो अच्छे से रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए और जिन लोगों का एडमिशन नहीं हुआ है आप जाके अपना एडमिशन स्कूल में जाके ले लीजिए, ठीक है। तो आज हमारा ये PT1 का सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो रहा है, कंप्लीट हो गया लगभग। और आप एक कॉपी बना लीजिए और शुरू से लेके अभी तक जो मैंने भी पढ़ाया है उसको नोट डाउन कर लीजिए अपनी कॉपी में। बुक है तो बुक में लिख लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं है। और बुक नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं है। और ध्यान से पढ़ाई करिए, हेल्दी रहिए और सेफ रहिए। ओके, थैंक यू।